Nom 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 nom. That's pretty good, huh? Rice rusk. Yummy.
She had a mustache.
I know. She's participating in No Shave November.
She has beard.
It fell off.
Did she actually take a bite out of it, though?
Yes. She's chewing it right now.
Brought the meat up.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, I put it in her mouth to show her what it was, and she was like, "Oh, right, I forgot. This is food." Gross. That's so gross. I just got that piece is inferior.
This one's way bigger.
I'm shaking the phone. Oh, she's cracking me up.